I'm Ira and welcome to this week's ELFT video news. First, iConnect remote access to trust systems will end on August 31st and will be replaced by AnyConnect. The new system will provide faster and more reliable access. All colleagues need to complete an online form before they start using AnyConnect. See the intranet for details. A series of events are being held within the Trust to celebrate South Asian Heritage Month, which starts on Sunday. All the celebrations are inclusive and available to all colleagues. See the intranet for details. And finally, it is important to continue following the Trust COVID protocols and guidance so that we can keep you, colleagues, and our service users safe. Operational updates will be shared via all line managers and through the weekly COVID bulletin, which will be sent to your inbox on Friday, which provides a one-page summary of all the information you need. Make sure you have your finger on the pulse so that we can support and advise colleagues, service users, and their families. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next week.